Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in essentials. Know which Palm Tree Floppa you want and why, distinct markings, region, or a game spawn. Once done, open your map and set a waypoint. Make sure to enable GPS accuracy. Carry a camera or phone for reference shots, and confirm access permissions if it's on private land or requires a pass. This first step moves you from planning to action. Avoid over-preparing and get moving while your info is fresh. You navigate toward the waypoint using GPS or game coordinates, adjusting your route if trails or obstacles appear. As you approach, scan for key identification signals, trunk texture, frond silhouette, and any unique markings. These matter because many palms look similar. Once you have visual candidates, use nearby objects, cars, doors, or rocks to gauge scale and rule out mismatches. If indoors or in a game, reposition camera angles. Doing so reveals distinct. You finish by confirming the Palm Tree Floppa. Take clear photos, record coordinates and time, and note any nearby markers. This documentation prevents mistakes later. If you need to collect or interact, make sure access is permitted and proceed respectfully. If visibility or identification fails, troubleshoot. Return during golden hour for better light, use a torch or zoom lens, or compare your photos with reference images. Finally, if something still seems off, step back, reassess your evidence, and try a different candidate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.